Welcome back to Devine Inspired Care. Ever pondered the intricacies of kidney health or the importance of a kidney detox? Today, we're diving into this often overlooked topic. The cornerstone of maintaining healthy kidneys lies in proper hydration. Regular consumption of water is a key tool in ensuring that your kidneys are functioning at their best, aiding in the breakdown and removal of harmful toxins and waste. Keeping track of your urine's hue can provide a glimpse into your body's hydration status. When it starts to deviate from the normal clear or slightly yellow color, it's an unambiguous hint that your body needs more water. Additionally, if you're experiencing symptoms such as headaches, dry mouth, dizziness, or fatigue, these might be signals of dehydration. The often cited 8 glasses a day rule isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, it's more beneficial to tune into your body's specific needs. Moving on, another factor that can significantly impact your kidneys is your sodium intake. Consuming too much sodium can overtax your kidneys, leading to an increase in urinary calcium and blood pressure, and potentially setting the stage for kidney stones and even kidney failure. The best course of action? Limit processed foods, which are typically high in sodium, and strive for a diet that is low in sodium. The solution? Steer clear of processed foods and opt for a diet low in sodium. Now, let's talk about kidney-supportive foods. The kidneys, one of the most vital organs in our body, benefit tremendously from a diet abundant in fresh, nutrient-dense foods. There's a reason these types of foods are always at the top of any health professional's list. They are simply brimming with the types of nutrients your kidneys need to function optimally. Consider something as simple as an apple. Apples contain a significant amount of pectin, a type of fiber that can help your kidneys process natural waste. They're also rich in antioxidants, which are known to combat oxidative stress, a leading cause of kidney diseases. Moving on to leafy greens, kale and spinach are nutrient powerhouses, packed to the brim with vitamins A, C, and K, and trace minerals. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and maintain kidney health. They also contain compounds that can prevent kidney stones. Let's not forget sweet potatoes. This versatile root vegetable is rich in potassium, a mineral essential for maintaining proper kidney function. Moreover, they're packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation and protect against kidney disease. Finally, we must turn attention to herbal teas. They have been known to be beneficial for kidneys for centuries. Nettle leaf tea, turmeric tea, and dandelion tea are all packed with antioxidants, offering anti-inflammatory effects and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Herbal teas not only detoxify the kidneys, but also aid in overall body detoxification. To conclude, these kidney-supportive foods and drinks are incredibly beneficial when incorporated into your daily diet. As we journey on, it's clear that vitamins and supplements are significantly crucial in maintaining kidney health. Vitamin B6, for instance, purportedly aids in the regulation of homocysteine, an amino acid linked to kidney disease when found in excessive amounts. Studies have shown that the consumption of vitamin B6 may potentially reduce this risk of kidney damage. Another noteworthy supplement is the alpha-lipoic acid. Known for its powerful antioxidant properties, it helps in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, thus providing a protective layer to our kidneys. It's believed to be particularly beneficial for people suffering from diabetic nephropathy, a type of kidney damage that's a complication of unmanaged diabetes. Next on our list is moringa. Hailing from the Moringaceae family, this plant is a treasure trove of essential nutrients, providing high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Some studies indicate that moringa can help protect against nephrotoxicity, a condition that occurs when kidneys are exposed to certain drugs or toxins. Vitamin D is also integral to kidney health. It's crucial for calcium absorption, which in turn supports healthy bone development. Some research has also linked vitamin D with reduced inflammation, a factor that can contribute to kidney disease. However, always remember to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating these or any new supplements into your daily regimen to ensure they're safe and suitable for your specific health condition. Now, turning our attention to artificial sweeteners, which are often marketed as a healthier alternative to they can paradoxically increase your risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and kidney disease. Rather than falling into this trap, why not opt for natural sweeteners like honey and maple syrup? Their unprocessed nature makes them a better choice for overall health. Finally, consider a 2-day kidney cleanse. The procedure involves consuming an array of specialized sustenance, formulated with the intention of bolstering kidney health. This includes a variety of juices from fruits and vegetables known for their detoxifying properties, like beetroot, celery, and lemon. These juices are not only refreshing, but also known for their capability to flush out toxins, enhancing kidney functionality. Additionally, this cleanse includes the consumption of certain teas. Teas like green tea, dandelion tea, and ginger tea are traditionally renowned for their healing properties and potential benefits to the kidney. They're filled with antioxidants that aid in the removal of harmful substances in the body, thereby supporting kidney health. Also, incorporating herbs into your diet such as parsley, celery seeds, and stinging nettle can prove beneficial. These herbs are widely known for their diuretic properties, encouraging an increase in urine production and thereby assisting in the elimination of toxins. Smoothies, particularly those made from leafy green vegetables and berries, are another crucial part of this cleanse due to their high nutrient and antioxidant. They provide the kidneys with essential nutrients, promoting overall kidney health. On top of all these, consuming foods rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, like bananas, avocados, and dark leafy greens, is also recommended. They help regulate blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of kidney damage. While many swear by the effectiveness of such cleanses, it's essential to understand that scientific evidence backing these methods is not extensive. Always consult a healthcare professional before embarking on any cleanse, especially if you have underlying health conditions. In conclusion, your kidneys are absolutely critical to your overall health, and these 7 techniques that we've covered in this video provide a comprehensive roadmap to achieving optimal kidney health. These methods are not just some random suggestions, but are scientifically backed and proven ways to enhance the performance and longevity of your kidneys. So, let's take a moment to revisit them. The first method is hydration. Drinking plenty of water each day helps your kidneys clear sodium, urea, and toxins from the body. The second method is maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity increases the risk of developing kidney disease. The third method, regular exercise, which not only keeps your weight in check, but also helps regulate blood pressure levels. The fourth method involves a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Next, the fifth method is steering clear of smoking and excessive alcohol, which can have negative impact on your kidneys. The sixth method involves regular checkups to monitor your kidney function. And finally, the seventh method includes getting an adequate amount of rest every night. Let's reiterate that this guide is strictly for informational purposes. It's a starting point, a primer to help you understand the importance of kidney health. But it's not a substitute for medical advice. Personalized advice should always be sought from a healthcare professional who can take your unique medical history and conditions into account. We would like to encourage you to engage with us. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments section. We appreciate the feedback and engagement from our viewers. It helps us improve and curate content to suit your needs. Until next time, take care of your kidneys and they'll take care of you.